place these on. We use the longer bolts here and here. Same setup on that right angle bracket. We have the other bracket over here with the bolt right in there. Very similar to what you'll see in the instructions. We've got the extra waste board underneath this. ABS is here. And notice I just put these on the edge. They're not overhanging so that they wouldn't come in contact with anything. We're gonna go ahead and put our probe in. I think we're gonna open these G codes. So yeah, we click here at the bottom. Come up here to examples. We're gonna go back to LED. We're gonna go ABS base. That's what we're working on right now. We're gonna select it. All right, there. So then we go to config. So task configuration. We go to our X. So we clicked on config. X should be set to 15. Y should be set to 20. Anchor should be set to 1. Because we need to check auto leveling. We'll come back to the configure. Let's go here. So anchor 1, Y15, or Y20, X15, anchor 1. Setting the work coordinate. We do auto leveling, and we should configure this one. Clearance height needs to be 2. With 5 and a 3 here. All right, that's where we're, so 5 for X, 3 for Y, 2 for clearance height. And we should be good. And click run. All right, so we've already got the probe in. So we're gonna go ahead and hit confirm. Go ahead and get everything else kind of set up. 3.175, 25 millimeter. There we go. Take our tool out, place it in, lock it into place. That looks good. We'll let it do its thing. Get my other vacuum for now, and then I'll start using that, especially on ABS. That is super messy. That's stuck to everything. Let's take that bit out. Place it back. Yeah, 0.2, 30 degrees, number 2. Yep. Because it doesn't look like anything moved. It did a great job with the first one. Here it was trying to cut it out, and it looks like it got too deep. So although it had those rough edges where I think it either went too deep or I probably had the settings wrong, I think it's still going to be a functional part. So I still want to use it. We'll use it for this video. And then if it ends up not being right, we'll just make it again. But I know on the inside everything's good. I think it was just on the outside it getting cut out. It went all the way down to the waste board. So you can see it definitely went deep enough, and I didn't have any real big issue cutting it out. The depth off, and it was going just a little bit too deep for the bit we had. But I think that's going to allow us to kind of move on to the other steps. Not ideal, but functional.